Guys, a lot of students are asking the same questions that in this your discord server is look like this. There is a multiple channels are there, but when we try to log in the discord and the option is much difference from you, like when you are a fresher and if you are want to become a Microsoft student ambassador and you are applying for the MLSA, then you can join the discord server. Then discord server is look like this. So how I got these types of conversations and discussions, channels in our Microsoft student developer communities. Okay, so there are something you have to do firstly. Okay, after that you can see these types of function, these types of options you get. So when you log in the discord server, so firstly you just go through the connection section. In this connection section you can just connect the GitHub profile in your discord section. Okay, and after that you have to do this different thing. See, in this website they all are mentioning, or there, like you can see, like first path when you are filling the applications form for becoming an ambassador. So the first thing you have to connect the GitHub account on your discord. Okay, and after that you can see there is a Microsoft student developer community server. Assign the GitHub student role yourself. Okay, so we just came on this page. You can see in this page there is a student developer community. In this you can just click on this in this section, and after that you can see there is a linked role. You can just click the link role and you can select the GitHub student developer, and after that you can see their GitHub is connected. Connect your account and you just click finished. Okay, and see, they all our channels are there. Okay, and just I close. Okay, and we just after just few seconds we just again refresh this discord server. So see, in this section there is a start here, so you can just follow this instruction. Firstly you have to connect the discord section, so we are connecting, and after that the GitHub role you can assign yourself is a click server name and top of the channel list. You just click the link role and GitHub student, and after finished. Okay, so we are almost done this. And after that add a Git ambassador channel, and you just unlock to channel list by clicking the Microsoft student developer community server name and the top of the channel list, the click show all channel. Okay, see, when you click the browse channel, okay, in this you can see there is almost each and every section is there. Okay, so you just click in a follow categories, and after that you just click on a follow categories. You can see their all option is like look like this. Okay, and then after you can see follow categories. See, the all option is looking like this, and okay, after that you just refresh the page. You can see again your discord channel is all of your like groups are showing like this. Okay, see, after we can see that you can go in announcement section, you can go in account code of conduct. So a lot of students are asking the same question, so how to connect these multiple channels to our discord. So this is the procedure to follow it, and you can see there is a discord sections is there, and there is a news and skill sections, activity sections, all are there. So you just connect this account and you just follow this simple procedure to get these types of things. Okay, and after that you can go through the task one by one procedure, and before you do the task you just aware on that. If you are in this is the prospectus. Okay, in this prospectus you can just follow their procedure. So like you can see that if first you have to fill this application form, after that you can see you can join the discord group, and after you have to follow this like basic instruction on discord. Okay, you can read the ambassador FAQ, and after you can join the technical challenges. So when you clicking the technical challenges link, you can see that the technical training challenges is there, so you have to join these technical challenges on, and after that you just complete it. Okay, so this is the also part you have to do this, and after that you can see you can receive the contributor ID in 3 to 5 days, and you can choose the path. After that you can complete the technical training path activities and required. Okay, so this is a procedure to get these types of interface looking like discord. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you. So if this video is helpful for you, so please subscribe this channel for more update related to the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. Thank you guys, all the best, have a nice day.